Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's legendary business partner, is known for his sharp wit and incredible insights. His book, Poor Charlie's Almanack, is a treasure trove of wisdom, blending business strategies with life lessons. This book is part autobiography, part philosophy, and part practical advice. Munger shares his approach to making better decisions, focusing on mental models, a framework for thinking that helps you solve complex problems and avoid mistakes. What makes this book unique is its ability to connect ideas across different fields like psychology, economy, history, and more. Munger encourages you to think broadly and deeply, applying knowledge from multiple disciplines to everyday life. But it's not just about business. Munger also talks about living a meaningful life, focusing on integrity, patience, and learning from your failures. His humor and honesty make these lessons both relatable and enjoyable. For me, Poor Charlie's Almanac is more than a book. It's a manual for lifelong learning and decision making. It's not a light read, but every page feels like a conversation with one of the greatest minds of our time. So, if you want to learn how to think smarter and live better, you can grab your copy of this book through the link in the description, or you can even listen to it for free with Amazon's Audible free trial. I will also put the link of it down in the description. So, have you read this book? And if you did, what are your favorite lessons from this book? Share your insights in the comments. Thanks for watching I will see you in the next one.